Taxi Foxtrot Alpha, hold short runway 07, contact Sancta Tower 118.75.
Alpha, hold short of 7, 118.75, United, 1628.
Portugal 7478, Sancta Tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
To land runway 07, replica 7478.
United 1628 is ready.
United 1628, thanks to tower, land up and wait runway 07.
Wait runway 7, United 1628.
Portugal 7478, on time 03, vacate Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
7 at Alpha, replica.
United 1628, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
Off runway 7, United 1628.
Bye-bye. United 1628, departure now 120.8.
0.8, 16.
Jet 2567, ready for departure, runway 07.
Jet 2567, thanks to tower, roger, you're clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, WestJet 2567.
JetBlue 2522 is ready, 07.
2522, thanks to tower, roger, full sure.
72522.
American 1085, thanks to tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
Continue 07, American 105.
JetBlue 2522, line up and wait runway 07.
Line up and wait, 07, JetBlue 2522.
Westjet 2567, contact departure 120.8.
That's 2567, take care.
JetBlue 2522, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 7, JetBlue 2522.
clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 15 knots.
07 American 10 pass.
JetBlue 2522, contact departure 120.8.
Departure, JetBlue 2522, good day.
Bye-bye. American 1085, you're on time 14, exit Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
217 American 10 pass.
Delta 1957 is the holding point, runway 07 ready.
1957, thanks to tower, roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, Delta 1957.
Plus 272 on the RMP approach runway 7.
Southwest 272, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Southwest 272.
1957, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 15 knots.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 07, Delta 1957.
Southwest 272, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Land runway 7, Southwest 272. JetBlue 2126, holding short 07.
JetBlue 2126, thanks to tower, roger, hold short.
07, JetBlue 2126.
Delta 1957, contact departure 120.8.
120.8, Delta 1957.
JetBlue 2126, line up and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, JetBlue 2126.
American 1075, thanks to tower, roger, continue approach, runway 07.
Continue for 07, American 1075.
West 272, you're on time 21, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
217, Southwest 272.
JetBlue 2126, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 045 degrees, 14 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 2126.
American 1075, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Land 07, American 1075.
American 1075, on time 24, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Ground, decimal 7 American 1075. Up 1928, holding short 07, right departure.
Delta 1928, thanks to tower, roger, you clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 12 knots.
07, Delta 1928.
There, Tower, good morning, this is New Blue 4159 on final.
New Blue 4159, thanks to tower, good afternoon, continue approach, runway 07.
Blue 4159.
Delta 1928, contact departure 120.8.
20.8, Delta 1928.
Frontier Flight 124 will be ready at the end for runway 7.
Frontier 124, thanks to tower, roger, allow and wait, runway 07.
Then wait, runway 07, Frontier Flight 124.
Frontier 124, clear takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
Takeoff, clear for takeoff, runway 07, Frontier Flight 124.
Frontier 124, contact departure 120.8.
Flight Frontier Flight 124, good day.
Bye-bye. 4159, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
So long, runway 07, New Blue 4159.
New Blue 4159 on time 20, exit Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Exit by Alpha.
Delta 1800, clear takeoff runway 07, notably on the roll, wind 060 degrees, 14 knots.
Runway 07, no delay, Delta 1800.
Added 1163, thanks to tower.
United 1163 for RNAV 07.
United 1163, thanks to tower. Roger, continue approach runway 07.
Continue, United 1163.
United 1163, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear to land runway 07, L1163.
Delta 1800, contact departure 120.8.
Decimal 8, have a nice Delta 1800.
Arrived 27, vacate via Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Ground 21.7, 1163.